Hello everyone. Good day to all. Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to cover how to get an IT job. You are a graduate, you are a degree holder and looking for a IT job, especially in the field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. This video is for you. So that follow this video for next 5 minutes. It will be great information is there in this video. Okay, we will see. The biggest problem that we face today is not unemployment but unemployability. What is the difference between unemployment and unemployability? For example, you are having a driving license so that government is authorized you to drive a car. But I am having a Benz car. You are not properly driving the car. You are here taking and you are dashing here and there, or you are not able to drive the car. Then how I will give the job to you? That is called unemployability. Unemployability means you have the degree but you doesn't have the skill set to work in a company. That is called unemployability. In the IT industry, there are two levels of companies. One companies with the training division, another companies without training division. The companies with the training divisions are recruiting the students in the campus and they are train them according to their environment, according to their software development skill set. They will train the candidate and then put them into the project work. But the majority of the companies in Bangalore or in India or in this world, they are not having the training division, separate training division, because they have to spend a lot of money for that. A companies with the mid-size, they will not have the training division. So that what their expectation, they always giving the advertisement like that, you should be 1 year experience, you should know all these criteria, you know Python, you know artificial intelligence, you know Matplotlib, like that they will tell a lot of things to you, correct? No. So that this program, what we are building is going to be a bridge between the companies, those who are not having the training division, and the candidates who are looking for a IT job. It is going to be a bridge, so that here we are providing an environment for you to where you can able to develop the skill set and you are going to be a 100% you are going to be increase your employability skill. 100% you will get a job in that. Actually, what is my idea to my students are, don't go and ask the company if they are rejecting you in the company. For example, you are attending an interview. They have to feel that, okay, they have to request you to join the company. They should not ask you to go out. Then you are telling that, sir, give me the job, give me one opportunity. Not like that. We should not beg the job. The company people has to request you to join in their company. Like that position we have to create. That it is possible in this program. Listen this program. We are having one program called on-job training. In that on-job training, what we are going to cover means, we are covering 2 skill set, or we can call 3 skill set. Python. From the scratch, we are covering you the Python. Then we are covering you the full stack development in Python. Full stack development means front end to middleware and the back end. 3 layers will be there. Full stack development. And one more addition, we are doing that machine learning. Machine learning means not only machine learning, we are covering data science, deep learning, everything we are covering. So that it is a full packed thing. You are able to, it is a double bonus for you. There are many institutes, they are training only for the full stack development and they are training you for the only for the machine learning and the deep learning. Now this is a program which will merge both the things, full stack Python development plus machine learning. It is a one integration course. The duration of the course is a 4 month. So that you will give your 4 month time to us, 100% we can able to get a job for you. That guarantee we can able to give to you. What are the content in this course? I will let you know. Level 1 Python programming. Level 2 machine learning and deep learning. Level 3 web application development. And level 4 skill enhancement training. That means soft skill training program. How to attend the interview, how to prepare your resume, how to handle the difficult situation. Everything will be covered in the skill enhancement training. Now, the level 1 Python programming. In Python programming, we are covering you the introduction from the scratch. We are going to teach you the Python, starting with the variable, keywords, statement, syntax, Python date and time model, and there are many loop statements are there, while loop, if statement, everything, and Python data types, OOPS concepts, and how to use that OOPS concepts in the Python programming, file handling. All these are covered, and we will cover you the advanced Python also, NumPy, data frames, like that we can cover you, Matplotlib, everything will cover you. Okay, this is a course coverage of the Python. Then level 2 advanced Python with the machine learning. So that in the advanced Python only it will come the NumPy, data frames, everything will come. The whatever the advanced concepts are there in the Python will cover you. Then we are teaching you the machine learning fundamentals. In the machine learning, there are two things, supervised learning and unsupervised learning will be there. We cover you, unsupervised learning is called clustering work and supervised learning is a classification and regression technique. Both we will cover you with the different varieties of them. You will have nearly 4 to 5 project work will be there. And the deep learning fundamental we will teach you. In the deep learning, there are artificial neural network, convolution neural network, recurrent neural network. These are the three main category. We will cover you all the three. Apart from machine learning, deep learning, we are going with a transfer learning also. And after that, we are giving you the project work. You will have the one capstone project. In this course only, you will have 5 to 6 projects. Apart from that, in the project work, student, you are going to do your work by yourself. We are assigning the work you are going to do. That is the project work you are going to do. And the third one, web application development. It is called full stack development. Here we are teaching you HTML, CSS. You know already HTML, CSS also. We'll go with the scratch. We'll give the tips and tricks for that. Then JavaScript and jQuery, Bootstrap, Django, WebFrame in Python. We'll go with an Django or Flask. Anything we can do that. But Django is a peak, so that we'll go with an Django. And the database, MySQL database. How to create the table, how to retrieve the data, how to write the SQL statement, everything will be there. Then web hosting, how to host it in Amazon web server, everything will teach you. Then here also one project work will be there. This project will be integration of the cloud and machine learning it will come, so that you will get a clear understanding of the machine learning and the full stack development. These are the three areas. Then final thing will be skill enhancement training. In the skill enhancement training, we are covering you soft skill training. First thing, you should know about yourself. What is your inner skill and how to prepare for the interview and resume building. We conduct you the mock interviews. We will trial you, give you 3-4 interviews we will give to you, so that we will each and every interview will tell what the plus you are doing, what the minus you are doing, how to improve yourself, like that. Then logical reasoning and analytical ability will give you, and decision making skills. In the interview they will ask some tough questions will be there, like HR related questions they will ask, how to overcome those things, and the problem solving technique also will give to you, so that you will make it a will make you 100% you are eligible to get the job, okay, without any hurdle. With your 100% satisfaction, you will go and attend the interview. If the interviewer is telling that you are not having a job in my company, means really you will feel that the company is not having a luck to have you. Like that feeling you will get it. Like that we can able to make it. We will fine tune you like a full-fledged person and go and get the job. Here, one thing is, whenever you are joining this course, don't have the attitude like that, I paid the money, I want job. Like that you are having attitude, then this course is not for you. You paid the money, correct, okay. Then we are giving you the wonderful environment, wonderful circumstance, ambience we are giving to you. You have to do the hard work. We are there for you for 100% getting the job, okay. So that you should put your hard work, then only you can able to get the job. That is our promise we can able to give to you. So that for any queries or anything, feel free to come and talk with us. We are in DHS Informatics. We are in Bangalore, Jayanagar, and our contact number is 98451 66723 98866 It is available in WhatsApp also. You can send a WhatsApp message or send a mail or walk into our office. You can visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com, and any further question you can come and ask us. Okay, feel free to ask us, so that we can able to give you the wonderful what I can able to tell you, wonderful feature for you. And we are having the accessibility test. Based on the test you will get a discount, okay, in the fee structures. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button. You can share to your friends, those who are looking for a job, and post your comment in this video. You are not subscribed our channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.